the grid. One thing you should never do is activate this option, grid magnetic, when no grid is visible, because when you're drawing and when you're moving, everything is snapping to something you can't see, and most of the time you're wondering how is this possible. So make sure when no grid is visible, this option is always turned off. How do you make the grid visible? Right mouse button on the worksheet and select grid. You can set that the cursor snaps to grid, grid is visible, and you can adjust the size of the grid. You can snap guidelines to the grid. You can draw objects on the grid, and you can move them around and let them snap on the grid. But best is not to use the center point of the object, because if you want to make sure that sides of objects snap on the grid, it's better to use one of the magnetic corner points or midpoints.